When you receive this information from the camera manufacturer, what do? Do you really need to upgrade the camera firmware every time we have a new version? Let's find out in our today's video. Hey guys, it's Marcelo here from Security Systems Center, a channel that brings you valuable information about security systems such video access control intrusion. Today we'll talk about camera firmware upgrades. If you find value on this video, give it a thumbs up, it really makes a huge difference. Manufacturers constantly release new camera firmwares that may include new bug fixes, cybersecurity fixes, new features or enhancements to the camera. So this means that we always should apply them every time we see a new version, correct? Not necessarily. Before the upgrade, we need to consider a few things. First is the camera integration with the NVR used in your project. If you already have your system deployed, you need to confirm if the new firmware will not impact in this integration, like a change in a proprietary protocol or a new type of ONVIF implementation. To check this, the recommendation is to upgrade one camera first and do all the tests with it, like streaming, MFC and PTZ commands, change of stream settings, and any other feature you are currently using via the NVR. If the firmware passed the test, you should be good to go in rolling it out to other cameras. If not, you need to balance the impact of issues caused with the benefits brought by this new firmware. Sometimes, for security reasons, a few features are removed from the camera firmware after the manufacturer finds out it's too risky to keep it. This needs to be evaluated with the customer if the lack of this removed feature is more or less important than the enhancements in the security, for example. But ideally, we always need to prioritize the bug and cybersecurity fixes to not let your customer expose you to these risks. If your customer explicitly informs you they don't want to upgrade, it's better to have this officialized in a document to prevent future issues. What about you? Do you leave the cameras in your projects with the same firmware available when you installed years ago? Or do you do this balance test? Share your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.